Do you experience pain in your upper abdomen or back from time to time? Do you constantly feel nauseous, stomach bloating and gas, indigestion, an abdominal burning sensation, or feeling overtly tired or exhausted? Then this video is for you. Usually, these are mild symptoms of gallstones at its early stages, the type that is not advanced and doesn't require surgery yet. And you can do something to help curb its development or even get rid of it if you follow this remedy consistently. When you buy a whole chicken, you shouldn't throw away the sack of green matter that is the size of a walnut because that's what you'll use for this recipe. Of course, you can't find a gallbladder in a whole chicken you buy at the supermarket. They would have already taken it out. You should buy it at a farm and you'll have fun pulling out the feathers and gutting the chicken. Or you can just tell them to do that for you. The idea is to get the gallbladder. Or if you don't want to go through all that trouble, you can just buy chicken bile powder from herbal stores, specifically Asian ones. Or if you can, just order them online. So you got the chicken gallbladder or bile powder. Now what to do with it? You just need a few buns. Cut up each bun into 3 or 4 pieces and make little balls out of them and pour in a few droplets of bile. And after each meal, eat 10 of these balls that have the bile droplets inside of them. So 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. After each one, you'll eat 10 bun balls. This is a traditional Chinese medicine recipe. It is believed that it will help you dissolve gallstones since the gallbladder in chicken stores the bile that the liver produces, which the chicken uses to dissolve the stones it swallows to aid in its digestion. For sure though, don't forget to get expert advice from your licensed healthcare professional. And I hope this recipe helps you. If you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, tell me what you'd like me to talk about next. And if you're not already subscribed, please do so. See you soon.